Is it the right time to buy or sell the TQQQ ETF? In this video, we will be delving deep into the TQQQ ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, November 6, 2023, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It is important not to miss any crucial updates that could potentially impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by utilizing our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 2, 2023, our system has identified TQQQ as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.43. Now, let's explore how the stock has performed during this period. During this time, TQQQ has shown a gain of 4.71%. This means that, on average, the stock has delivered a return of 1.57% per day since it was identified as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently in the upper part of a wide and falling trend in the short term. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. Keep an eye out for a breakup at the top trend line at $38.29, as it may indicate a slower falling rate or even a trend shift. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a projected minus 14.01% change over the next 3 months. This means there is a possible return range between minus 31.73% and minus 13.37%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a forecasted 85.7% change over the next year. This suggests a potential return range between 54.17% and 163.79%. In other words, the price could reach anywhere from $58.60 to $100.27 after a year. In our latest update for TQQQ, we have some exciting news. It was a green day on Monday for the TQQQ ETF, as it gained 1.14%. On the last trading day, which was Monday, November 6, 2023, the TQQQ ETF price rose from $37.58 to $38.01. This marks the 7th consecutive day of gains. It's not common for ETFs to experience such a winning streak, so it's important to keep in mind that a day or two of declines may be expected. Throughout the day, the ETF's price fluctuated between a low of $37.32 and a high of $38.21, representing a 2.38% fluctuation. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 8 of them, resulting in a 10.53% increase over the past 2 weeks. On the last trading day, a total of 91 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $3.45 billion. It's worth noting that a decrease in volume when prices are rising can be a signal of divergence and may indicate potential changes in the next few days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price the ETF reached was $47.14, while the lowest price was $16.10. Currently, the price is 19.37% or $9.13 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 80.09% or $152.87 below the all-time high, which occurred on January 8, 2021, with a price of $190.88. Let's take a look at the signals identified for TQQQ. The TQQQ ETF currently shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a positive forecast for the stock. However, it's important to note that the ETF also has a general sell signal due to the relation between the two signals, with the long-term average being above the short-term average. In terms of support levels, we can expect some backing from the lines at $34.68 and $35.90 in case of corrections down. If the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals, indicating a potential downturn. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a rise of 23.17% so far. This suggests the possibility of further increase until a new top pivot is found. However, it's worth noting that volume fell during the last trading day despite the gaining prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it's important to closely monitor the ETF's performance. There have also been some negative signals issued, which may have an influence on the near short-term development of the stock. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently showing a sell signal. Today, I want to share some interesting signals with you. Let's dive in. First up is the moving average convergence divergence. It's currently showing a sell signal. Next, we have the pivots. This indicator gave a buy signal 8 days ago. The Bollinger indicator also gave a buy signal 8 days ago. Looking at the short-term moving average, it gave a buy signal 5 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average gave a buy signal 4 days ago. Now, let's consider the relationship between the short and long moving averages. It gave a buy signal 35 days ago. If we zoom out and look at the 12-month chart, here's what we find. The short moving average gave a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average also gave a buy signal 20 days ago. And the relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 26 days ago. That's it for today's signals. Remember, you can find more signals on our website at StockInvest.us. Happy investing! Today, we will be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. Let's start with the downside. The ETF finds support just below today's level at $35.70 and $34.47, based on accumulated volume. It's important to note that when an ETF tests a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support level is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In this case, if $35.70 is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $34.47 and $30.86. Moving on, it's crucial to consider the volatility of this ETF. TQQQ can experience significant movements throughout the day. The Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval, classifying this ETF as high risk. In the past day, the ETF had a price range of 89 cents, or 2.38%, between its highest and lowest points. Over the last week, the average daily volatility has been 3.59%. Today, let's take a closer look at some potential day trading levels for TQQQ. If we see an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level for TQQQ at $38.04. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, TQQQ encounters its first support level at $35.70. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point for traders, with the anticipation of a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $36.67, which represents a decrease of 3.52%. This ETF is known for its high daily movements, making it a high-risk investment. However, there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 7 days ago. Is the TQQQ ETF a good investment? Despite the ETF currently experiencing a falling trend, there are several positive short-term signals that indicate a potential buying opportunity. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For Tuesday, November 7th, we anticipate TQQQ to open down $0.163 and begin trading at $37.85. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. It's crucial not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the current state of the stock. We value your opinion, so make sure to share your thoughts in the comments below. We want to hear from you. Additionally, what price target do you have in mind for the ETF? Let us know. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable trading insights. We hope you have a successful trading journey and a wonderful day. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.